New today, Volusia County detectives on the hunt for a thief who stole a valuable and rare piece of history.
Someone made off with an 18th century era pistol similar to this one from the Museum of Arts and Sciences in Daytona Beach, along with a gun. A powder tester also missing from a display case. WESH 2's Claire Matz has more on the museum heist.
The folks here can't remember anything like this ever happening before. They did have vandalism here at the museum about a year ago with 4 paintings slashed, including a Thomas Paine. But something actually removed from the museum? No. Wouldn't we all love to have magnificent pieces of art in our homes, to be able to say, come and see my private collection? But few of us have that kind of money or clout, so we enjoy museum displays. That one or more thieves took this 18th century flintlock pistol and an ages-old gunpowder tester, these are pictures of those historical pieces, is a real stunner.
And it's an area where people get education and exposure to these type of things. So they have denied the public the opportunity to learn more and see these items.
The ancient weapons were in plexiglass like this, but mounted to a wall with heavy industrial Velcro. Museum officials are still reviewing extensive surveillance, but so far they haven't seen the moment of theft. Hundreds were in and out that day, probably July 13th. The items, valued at $4,000, are insured, but they're so rare they're irreplaceable. The pistol likely belonged to a naval officer more than 200 years ago.
This is something that someone saw these, they want them for maybe perhaps a private collection, and that's too bad because, again, that denies the public.
Officials have now locked and bolted anything vulnerable, and they've put word of the theft in an international art loss newsletter. Museum officials are reviewing security just to ensure it's as tight as can be. As a result of the theft, however, oversized bags, even something the size of my purse, may have to be checked at the front desk. In Daytona Beach, Volusia County, Claire Matz, WESH 2 News.